Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can convert a Facebook profile into a page. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to your account's homepage. Now, tap on the menu icon at bottom right corner of your screen and a bunch of features will be displayed. Here, tap on the profile banner at the top of the screen and your profile page will open up. Now, tap on the three dots button beside the Edit Profile feature and a menu will appear. Inside this menu, scroll down a little bit, tap on Turn on Professional Mode and turn it on. Once it is enabled, tap on Continue and you can see that my friends are now converted into followers. So that's basically how you can convert a Facebook profile into a page. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.